Hi, my name is Laura Crossland. I'm a pre-service teacher with Southeastern Oklahoma State University, and in this presentation we will be discussing information literacy in the classroom. This lesson is intended for second graders and should only have a duration of 1 to 2 hours in the classroom. We will be discussing in this presentation the standards, as well as the anticipatory set, assessment, and resources used, and the application of the instructional plan and differentiation, and we'll have a short closure and reflection in the end. The standards that are used are the Oklahoma Pass standards as well as the ISTE-NET standards reflecting digital citizenship. The students should have a general understanding of the importance of using specific keywords in order to obtain the most accurate information for the results of the information that they are seeking using search engines and trial and error methods. There will be 4 essential questions. What does the word accurate mean? What tells you that the information found is indeed accurate? What is a keyword? And what makes a good keyword? There will be a short anticipatory set video that will be viewed as a class. It's about 3 minutes long, and it talks about the trial and error that this little pig does, and it's Minecraft. And that can be viewed at a later time. Forms that will be used as an assessment are going to be the PowerPoint presentation, where the students can detail their findings, the generation of new knowledge through trial and error, the followed guided worksheet, where they will input any information that they find, as well as the rubric that the teacher will use in order to determine if a reteach is needed. This is what the assessment rubric looks like. It's a 3-point rubric detailing whether or not the student participated in the assignment, whether they learned something useful, and if they understood what they learned. And they can score themselves based on bad, needs improvement, or good. These will be the resources that will be used: any Google search engine or Bing search engine, the guided student worksheet, the assessment rubric at the end of the lesson, any internet research that is found, as well as the anticipatory set video. The teacher will hold a classroom discussion at the very beginning of the lesson, and she should provide any refresher on any vocabulary words or PowerPoint presentation usage, and answer any questions that are needed to provide guidance. The students should be divided into pairs, and all research and presentations should be performed in the computer lab. The goal is for the students to participate in classroom discussions, utilize the search engine to research specific topics, and they should be guided by the classroom worksheets in order to complete the assignment, and they should compile all the information that they find into a PowerPoint that they will present in the very end. There will be 2 different forms of differentiation. The first one is for struggling readers and English language learners. It is our hope that they should be guided through classroom discussions, visual aids, guided readings, rubric, and the group work. For our gifted students, it is our hope that through their confident participation and their group leadership, that they should be able to help all the other students as well as stay on task. To reflect, the students will use the presentation, and they will present their findings in their PowerPoint to reflect all the information they have found throughout the lesson. To extend, the students should reflect on what they have learned by re-answering their focus questions that are in the guided worksheet, and they should do their self-assessment on all the information that they have learned. The teacher should reflect by reflecting the student observation and interaction, and they should review the product of the presentations as well as the rubric in order to determine if a reteach is needed. Thank you very much. My name is Laura Crossland.